Hi, today I'm going to tell you how to sharpen Tomford's Sculptor eyebrow pencil. So this is from where you'll open the eyebrow pencil and you can move this upward like by rotating. The lead comes out, and from behind if you rotate this, so the sharpener comes out like this. So this is an Espresso 04 Tomford Sculptor. Alright, so this is the sharpener. So what you have to do is basically you have to keep this in this position. Just a minute. So this side should be down. This side should be down like this, and then you have to run the lead in this space that is there parallelly, and try not to waste. Just do it 2-3 times and see if it gets sharpened and it works for you, then you can leave it to that. So like this side should be down, okay, and then you have to run the lid over this in the hole like this way. You just need to take out this little bit more, and then you have to run this, and it sharpens the edges in that way. So however you want, like more or less in that regards, you can run it over this. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe.